The basic premise is just automotive fun. The performance is fun, has been ever since cars were invented, I think. It really didn't take too long to come up with the first car race. These aren't race cars, but they're fun cars. Probably comes close to #1 in the world for bang for the buck. It's just a fun car. It performs well, it's rugged, and it's inexpensive. Any number of people with money to buy virtually anything they want frequently buy a Mustang. And it is the attraction, I presume, of that terrific performance for the dollar. Not unusual to find a guy that actually has a two-car garage sharing space with a Mustang and a Ferrari. Most folks don't want it known that they have such equipment on the car. Most of the buyers like the stealth approach. I would say probably 3 to 1.
Had one guy who had an M1, BMW M1, and he says, impossible that you can, do you have something done to the machine? I said, nothing, just, it's pure stock, He said, impossible, This is like 10, 15 car lengths, something like that.